So there's a couple of videos like this on YouTube for an unboxing of a Terrova, but I'm going to unbox mine. This is a Minn Kota Terrova 80 pound with iPilot. No iPilot link because I was too cheap. Here we have it. So I just ripped the box open. So a lot more boxes. Must be the goodies for attaching it. So we got the propeller, leadless wedge 2, trim plate, I would say the iPilot remote, plastic caps, lanyard for the iPilot remote, all the hardware, and some more hardware. Now one of the things that I was always looking for and I couldn't find is how long the leads were. See them right there. Lord knows how we open this up, because I don't. I'm gonna put this on pause and I'll show it once it's opened up. Alright, so I managed to actually rip all the boxes apart. So I was wrong about this first pink bag. This contains the GPS puck. The actual iPilot remote is hanging off of the control wires. So here it is, pedal, 60-inch shaft. And the question I had, so I can figure out how I'm going to wear this thing, the lead length. If I had to guess, I would say that is pushing about 4 feet. My tape measures inside. Now looking at the pedal, standard Terrova pedal. There's your connection. This is also got US 2 connections, so I'm guessing that that's my transducer pickup for the sonar in the head of the motor. That's all.